Low season because it's the rainy season. However, look at that sky. No rain at the moment. Beautiful blue. Koh Island over there. The tide is out. Let me just swing around now. That was heading north. We're going to swing around to the south. And I'll show you way in the distance over there. Probably hard to see some buildings. Bang Sarai. Slowly coming around. South Jomtien or Na Jomtien. And you'll see there is no one on this beach except me. Look at that. This is what low season is. But I just wanted to show you again how fantastic and quiet this place is. It's here by myself and nobody. Nobody. And behind me, nobody. Nobody. Amazing. I'll take it. And I shall be enjoying it. I'll just quickly change the camera over. And they have squirrels living up in the trees here. I'll go straight up. It's beautiful. So you get really nice shade if you're worried about sitting in the sun. Apart from the umbrellas, which is nice up here. And let me just pan right down. Just give you an idea. More sharks in the background. And if you ever come down here, the boys are fantastic. At number 20. It's the only one I come to. Service is fantastic. And always great culture. Not allowed to smoke on the beach by law, which I think is a tremendous thing. So you come up here, up on the road, which they supply chairs and ashtrays, which is great. So there's no butts in the ground being put on the ground in the sand, which I think is tremendous. Anyway, this is a shot looking down to the beach from up near the roadway, and I'll spin it around in a sec. You'll see how close we are to the roadway. And nice shade if you get too hot.